Good afternoon, everyone. And I just realized that I haven't uploaded a regular video since I got here from the Philippines. And by the way, happy Easter. Today is bank holiday, Monday here in Milano. And I'm going to Piazza Duomo because I would like to get a medicine because I'm having a sore throat. And so yeah, you are coming with me for a walk. You know this castle, the castle of Milan, Sportsesco. And as you can see, there are a lot of people because it's bank holiday. And so, such a glorious day today. Beautiful. Look at the tourists. And they are coming back. You know me, I always drop by Zara home because I need something for the house. Look at the gorgeous tree behind me, covered with, I don't know how you call that, plants, but whatever. And right now I am going home because I'm hungry. And I decided not to eat in downtown because I don't need to spend money because the house there are a lot of food that they prepared for Easter. So I guess I'm gonna eat that. Look at this sunny day here in Milano. Such a beautiful day. I love spring. Not too cold, slightly warm, perfect weather. You know, I'm back again with St. Louis, my favorite brand. So this is the exhibit. Oh my God, you know, I love the brand. Okay. So this is me from the future. This is Milan's Design Week, and right now I am in the Church of Carmini, and this area is called Brera, where most of the installations are located. So I am trying to explore as many as I can so I can share to you guys. So let's see more. So look at the number of people coming from different part of the world to see the Design Week here in Milano. So this is exciting actually. We get a table escape that is the table of dreams. There you go, and look at the flower arrangement. So beautiful. These are the ceramics of dreams. Oh my gosh. Yayo Kusama collaboration with Louis Vuitton. So once again, this is Piazza Duomo. It's been a long time since I last made a video in this area. So this is the cathedral. It's such a beautiful day, sunny afternoon here in Milano. First day of design week and beautiful. So many tourists. And honestly, days like this, sunny day like this, gives me so much joy. At dahil namimiss ko ang peach mango, ayan, dumaan ako sa Jollibee. And got medyo mabilis ngayon, ha? Hello, Jollibee. And the traffic continues. Fino a quando sta a Roma? Chi? So there you have it. This is the first day of Milan Design Week, and hopefully I get to see more in days to come. So it will stay until the 23rd. So yes. What I like about Design Week is that they open exclusive villas during the week, and it's open for public. And so I get to see the buildings that usually are closed during regular day. Look at the garden. Wow. This is the Bentley exhibit here in Milan. So actually I am the last one because they're closing. It's 6 o'clock in the evening and I'm the last person. Lucky me. I don't know if I can come here, but I'll try. Luckily the line for Louis Vuitton is like endless, so I'm not gonna try.
Vado bene, trovateli tutte. Sì, ma vieni.
There you go. In the end, I will be browsing here in Zara because I'm going to Florence next week. So ho capito. Vabbè, adesso va bene. Mia sorella cosa? Va bene, niente dai, ci sentiamo, io sto qua aperto, qui davanti alla via Mercato. Diyos ko, wala na. Pumunta ako sa pila. Diyos ko. So there you have it, guys. This is Milan Design Week as well as Milan Diary. So I hope you guys enjoy this one and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.